West abafrobeto nursery and primary school amukoro ogu Dr. Joseph Ryonga yomyeshenyera wa Hoima West yahiga abaturage ukorekera kubasika cyona urebekanga barindo obuhangwa bw'ensi daitotaireho no kurwanisa endwara ezikurwa mu mbehombi.
People do not know the importance of the environmental conservation. Daktari about if you have a dirty environment, you get pneumonia, you get diarrhea, you get all those things. But I want to give you some few scenarios why conserving the environment is very, very important. Now, these trees you are seeing here, you can see those trees. They clean the environment. They clean the air. Now, if you destroy the trees, what happens? To me, the air will be what? Will not be clean.
Iyo bikiriyaho Dr. Dina Mwesgwa uri umuhezi wa meya wa Hoima West Division hamwe na Dr. Joseph Ryonga bahiga abaturage kugumana bayonje byanga byabo ngubeitu barekera kugumana bategereze bitongore kwija kubayonjera hibaru gukora
ndi kupola ku cleaning kuyonja city rundi party Hoima city party ya Kibingo kukoleka abantu nti nabo gonze bali much ya children they can be able to participate kukoleka no kwa bate example nti leka tukole ham kurantu cleaning environment yaitu habo kwa that environment that ikiyebusanga abantu bafune ndwaire nugeno marwaro
ingorobuga rwatu ntukwataniza n'abafrobeto kandi amazima ko bebale muno omusento kona twiningireyo kandi kizibu cyasangwa division hano nti haroho omuze wa basigazi obagenda bayizire ahabw'oburungi nibaleta bivera nibaminagaho kandi babisigaho cyalo tererwe kandi twaguraganiza kwemera gambera zona ntukwatana nabembezi ba LC1 na management ya this hub ntikurorante division ya ikaraneyera mulinge kirinimwe cya rero reka tube nengeso ezo kulinda omugaro waitu kandi muno division yetu hano
Dominic Kariargo kwe umukuru w'ishomero rya Afrobeto Primary School yahiga bembezi bebyanga kumara bashomesa abantu aburungi bwo kutaha mu myanya y'emiyonjo.
Also discovered that there are so many places that were a bit bushy that require constant cleaning and slashing to avoid issues of mosquitoes and other related challenges.
Amukoro rwogume abembezi bende ngo zitarizimera zimwe basimishe ngero y'ihanga daitotereho no mubembezi w'ihanga His Excellency John Yoweri Kaguta Museveni abo kurwanisa bitingo mu ihanga no banka yensi yona iyo ni kanga kutuyaho sente
banka yensi yona ukwemereza ubukonyezi okujya mu Uganda nikisigikira hali kiragiro ekyaba parliament barabizeho na president yateka umukono ekyo kwakaniza abali besiyaga ukubikolera hano mu Uganda yaitu bwere ikintu ekyo kiri kintu kikuru muno twetegereze nti batabukire abukoba bene bagonza tukolera bakwetaga bakole tutemalira itwenka baitu kwenda kisimira mukama tabukoba kwanga kutereza obuyambi nitwimuka kurugo muturo twaitu tubairemo twere tubiyamire
bakuraga gasha kwa gada saba Our Sky TV against